Sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and more. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.